Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the RocwooD 16-inch petrol lawnmower. We're going to start with the unboxing, and our also features our mannequin now has clothes. On the box features the RocwooD logo, along with a picture of the lawnmower as well. This lawnmower is a top-selling model in the market, offering exceptional value for money. It's also equipped with a robust 132cc engine from OHV. It effortlessly tackles even the toughest lawn jobs. This is a push-drive lawnmower, allowing you full control to get the speed you want. It also features a large 39cm cutting width, covering a large surface area to reduce the time cutting your grass. In addition, it's also fitted with a 0.8 litre fuel tank, so you can cut around your whole lawn without needing fuel. Here is everything that comes with the lawnmower. It comes with a grass catcher, 4 wheels, some screws to screw the handles on, handle, the lower handle bars, a funnel, a cable clip, and of course the lawnmower base. Now to the assembly of the lawnmower. We'll start by using the included spanner to take out the axles for the wheels. The mower features different adjustable cutting heights, 3 positions from 30mm to 65mm, and 6-inch grooved wheels for traction for both front and rear. To attach the wheels to the lawnmower, we have to take the covers off. You just have to pull them to get them off. Put the bolt through the wheel, and then put the washer on the end, then just screw them on in your desired location. Next, we need to put the lower poles onto the lawnmower. We just put the screw into the lawnmower pole and it will automatically be put in. You may need a screwdriver to put this in. In addition, we need to put the twist nuts into the top of those poles. There are 2 of them, and this will allow us to attach the top handle onto the lawnmower. Finally, we just put these screws back in and it'll all be sorted. The handles also fold over for compact storage and easy transportation to make the item easy to store away. It's ideal for garage, garden sheds, or transporting within a vehicle. Finally, we attach the grass catcher to the lawnmower. It features a 35 litre grass catcher, and it just slides on. This lawnmower features a recoil start located on top of the engine. It also has an engine displacement of 132cc from an OHV engine. In addition, this lawnmower also comes with an orange foil to help you get the oil in, along with also the fuel. Here's a 360-degree view along with the specifications for the product. The SKU is RWLMP16, the drive type is a hand-push lawnmower, the starting system is a recoil start, the cut width is 39cm, it has a 0.8 litre tank capacity, it has a 35 litre collector capacity, it has a rotary blade, and has a noise level of 96 decibels, and its warranty comes with a 24-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate this warranty. Thank you for watching.